Sometimes, the most potent top predators on Earth are the fastest animals on Earth. Sometimes, they are as modest as a domestic pigeon or the fastest hummingbird in the world. The list of the world's fastest animals features a fascinating assortment of species that are capable of incredible acceleration. This group of animals, which also includes birds and aquatic life, can move at amazing speeds. Welcome to the Animal Channel, the one channel for all the interesting animal facts around the globe. Ready to dive in, let's go. Each of these species can travel at incredible speeds that astound us, from the Peregrine falcon, the fastest bird, to the cheetah, the fastest terrestrial mammal. The Peregrine falcon can dive at 200 miles per hour, whereas the cheetah can only travel at 75 miles per hour. The sailfish can move across the water at up to 68 miles per hour, while the marlin can move it up to 80 miles per hour. The wildebeest and pronghorn antelope are both capable of traveling at top speeds of 50 miles per hour on land. The list of the world's fastest animals is incredibly amazing and a monument to evolution's astounding strength. These species, from the marlin to the cheetah, have evolved remarkable adaptations that enable them to travel at speeds that are faster than our own. The strength of these animals and the extent they will go to in order to survive in their native habitats are absolutely inspiring. For a number of purposes, including to avoid predators, pursue prey, or impress potential partners, animals have evolved to travel at peak speeds. Speed can make the difference between life and death in the animal kingdom. Animals with few other protections rely on speed to stay alive, while predators use it to overtake and overwhelm their prey. Here are a few of the world's swiftest creatures. Whatever the cause, each of the 15 fastest animals on our list is amazingly quick, and some of them may be a little closer to you than you might think. Leatherback sea turtle with a top speed, 22 miles per hour. The largest turtles in the world, leatherback sea turtles are distinguished from other turtles by the firm, leathery skin that covers their backs rather than by their shells or scales. Additionally, outstanding divers, leatherback sea turtles can dive to a maximum depth of 4,000 feet. Although their typical underwater period is around 30 minutes, they can stay underwater for up to 85 minutes. Leatherback, particularly vulnerable to ocean contamination, are sea turtles. They frequently confuse plastic bags for jellyfish, which is their main food source, and as a result have been found to consume plastic. Perenti with a top speed, 25 miles per hour. The Perenti is both the oldest and fourth largest species of extant lizard. They have snake-like forked tongues that they utilize to detect their prey. Perenties hiss when threatened, just like snakes do. In their native Australia, Perenties are infamous for killing and devouring some of the most venomous snakes. Lion with a top speed, 50 miles per hour. The world's most sociable cat is the lion. These huge cats can run quickly because to their strong forelegs, which they combine with their formidable jaws and pointed claws to kill their prey. With top speeds of almost 50 miles per hour, lions can easily keep up with wildebeest, one of their most frequent prey species. Additionally, they consume zebras and take kills from leopards and hyenas, two other predators. Wildebeest with a top speed, 50 miles per hour. Gnus is another name for wildebeests. They are an antelope and have enormous curled horns. Additionally, they have a very massive chest, somewhat thin hindquarters, and less muscular rear legs. Each year, wildebeests travel up to 995 kilometers in search of the finest food and water sources. They consume grass. About 40 of those miles are spent running. Quarter horse with a top speed, 55 miles per hour. The capacity of quarter horses to sprint over short distances is well known. The quarter-mile races that this type of horse started to be prepared for in Virginia and Rhode Island in the late 1600s are where the term quarter horse originated. Frontiersmen and cowboys in the expanding West soon started using them more regularly. They are reputed to be trustworthy, pleasant horses. Pronghorn with a top speed, 61 miles per hour. Pronghorns can run as fast as 61 miles per hour over short distances, but over longer distances, they can maintain steady speeds of 30 to 40 miles per hour. Their 20-foot-long bounding strides are enormous. When running, pronghorns keep their jaws slightly open to allow them to breathe in more oxygen. Ostrich with a top speed, 43 miles per hour. The heaviest living bird, the ostrich, uses its wings, which function similarly to airplane wings, to control itself while running at great speeds. These non-flying animals can run for up to 5 meters in a single step. They are also the kind of bird that produces the largest eggs. There are 9 known species of ostrich, however 7 of them are extinct. There are now only the common ostrich and the Somali ostrich left in existence. Anna's hummingbird with a top speed, 61 miles per hour. Although Anna's hummingbirds are said to be unusually stocky for hummingbirds, their size doesn't diminish their amazing speed. Male Anna's hummingbirds have bright pink neck feathers that give them an eye-catching pop of color. These birds thrive in a range of settings and are frequent visitors at hummingbird feeders. Sailfish with a top speed, 68 miles per hour. The fastest marine species is the sailfish. In their first year of existence, they can grow up to 5 feet long because to their quick growth. They can be identified by the tall, vivid fin that extends from their back and pierces the water's surface. When swimming, sailfish usually maintain these sails folded, which helps them travel through the water more quickly. Cheetah with a top speed, 80 miles per hour. The fastest land mammal is the cheetah. They can sprint from 0 to 45 miles per hour in 2.5 seconds and cover 23 feet in a single step. Their top speed, though, can only be held for around 300 yards at a time. Because their bigger nasal passages allow for the enormous air intakes required for cheetahs to reach these high speeds, cheetahs have smaller teeth than other big cats. Rock dove with a top speed, 93 miles per hour. The common pigeon is another name for the rock dove. Yes, those are the identical pigeons that you can encounter on the streets near your house. Rock doves can dwell in colonies of up to 500 birds. They consume both plants, berries, and seeds, as well as insects and spiders, because they are omnivorous. However, you may have noticed that rock doves in your area aren't particularly fussy. They also consume garbage, or street-side found food. Mexican free-tailed bat with a top speed, 100 miles per hour. The Mexican free-tailed bats spend their nights hunting moths and other nocturnal insects, roosting in groups of more than 1 million people, and occasionally as many as 20 million. According to estimates, the greatest free-tailed bat roosts consume 250 tons of insects every single night. Mexican free-tailed bats grab these insects out of the air while avoiding predators like raccoons, cats, and owls by moving at incredible speeds. They only grow to be around 3.5 inches long and can live up to 18 years. They don't even add up to an ounce. White-throated needle-tailed swift with a top speed, 106 miles per hour. Throated white needly-tailed swifts dive bomb the insects that make up their favorite food as they soar through the air. Their bodies are formed like bullets, and their long, curved wings are made to help them fly quickly. These birds create their nests in tree trunks that have been hollowed out or in cracks between boulders. These birds migrate, breeding in Central Asia and spending the winter in Southeast Asia, the Indian subcontinent, and Australia. Golden eagle with a top speed, 200 miles per hour. With a maximum height of around 3 feet and weights ranging from 6 to 14 pounds, golden eagles are similar in size to bald eagles. They frequently kill prey the size of a crane or fox. Golden eagles dive to catch their prey in their razor-sharp talons from lofty perches. Like other eagles, golden eagles have excellent eyesight, and 270-degree rotating heads make it easy for them to spot their prey. They do, however, have inferior night vision comparable to that of a human. Peregrine falcon with a top speed, 240 miles per hour. In order to grab their food, peregrine falcons must dive from the air, and it is during this risky maneuver that they attain their highest speeds. Other birds are consumed by peregrines, who knock them out of the air and eat them on the ground. Despite being present on all 6 continents, peregrine falcons are rarely seen by people due to population reduction. They frequently have lifelong partners and have a nearly 20-year lifespan in the wild. The list of the fastest animals on Earth shows a wide range of creatures that can move at incredible speeds. It is clear that many animals have adapted to extreme speeds in order to survive and thrive in their environments. These animals have evolved over time to develop the strength, agility, and aerodynamics they need to move quickly and efficiently. The list of the fastest animals on Earth serves as both a testament to the incredible adaptability of the animal kingdom and a reminder of the importance of conservation and protection for all species. By studying the unique adaptations of these species, we can gain insight into the evolutionary history of the animal kingdom. and better understand the importance of preserving these species and their habitats. By understanding the complex factors at play, we can work to protect vulnerable species, conserve their habitats, and promote a healthier, more diverse, and more sustainable world. In conclusion, the list of the fastest animals on Earth is a reminder of the incredible adaptability of the animal kingdom and the importance of understanding the complexities of the natural world. Through studying the unique adaptations of these species, we can gain insight into the evolutionary history of the animal kingdom and better understand the importance of preserving these species and their habitats. With this knowledge, we can work to protect vulnerable species, conserve their habitats, and promote a healthier, more diverse, and more sustainable world. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment below. Turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos.